Teach everyone to make a simple and lightweight metal quick heater. First find a heat dissipation aluminum sheet, and then put to thermal conductive rubber pads. Here are two long tubes, model IRLZ4 The on-off current of this model, it's an amazing 47 amps, so recommend this. This is a skew capacitor of the same style as an induction cooker. You can see frequencies up to 50 kHz. It's enough. Press both ends of the capacitor against the heat dissipation area of the two long tubes. Screws are also electrically conductive, so insulating spacers must be installed on them. Both must be well insulated, and then the two screws must be pressed tightly. The ridge of the pipe is very fragile and can be damaged beyond 16 volts. So we're going to install a 12-volt regulated diode between the ridge and the opposite angle. Both pipes must be connected together, by the way. So no matter what unexpected situation occurs, ridges can never exceed 12 volts. Prevent pipes from being misled and shut down in time. So there is a 10K pull-down resistor between the ridge and the ground, both of which have to be connected. Leakage of two pipes. There is a fast recovery diode between the level and the mountain level, and the recovery frequency must be fast. My model is F2107. For a lighter design, we use this little eye-shaped inductor, which is very kawaii. The parameter is 330. In order to increase permeability, we need to connect two of the same type in parallel to improve efficiency. Both pipes are the same and connect to. Venue Sanji requires a continuous forward conduction current, so you need a resistor of about 470 ohms to go from Sanji to the corner of the inductor. A quick recovery secondary tube should also be connected between the third level of the first tube and the sixth level of the second tube. Just like the first secondary tube model, you can pay attention to distinguish between positive and negative stages. The third stage of the last second tube, then connect a 470 ohm resistor and connect 4 inductors on the other side. The circuit is fine. We connect a crimp terminal at both ends of the skew capacitor. Prepare another section of copper wire over 2.5 square meters. The foreskin is then made into a coil like this. The coil should be as regular as possible. Note that the neutral gear of the coil cannot be in contact. The coil must be pressed tightly. The circuit is fine. This circuit is amazing. Its heating speed can be used in cattle to describe its confession. Electricity can range from 12 to 24 volts. The higher the voltage, the faster the heating speed. So how fast? Let's try this out. We use 12 volts, primary electrode to negative electrode inductance to positive electrode. You can see that the standby current is only more than 500 mA. Heat this stainless steel tweezers first to see how many seconds it takes. Pay attention to the current. Electricity when heating metal. The highest is more than 4 amps, which means that the power supply with it must be greater than 5 amps. You can see that in just a few seconds, the tweezers are dark red and very efficient. But my tweezers are useless. Thanks for watching. See you next time.